Little volatility returning back to the market today as we see the Dow ending down about 1.5%, the S&P down just over 0.5%, but the NASDAQ was still positive on the day. Jobs data did have an uptick this morning, little less than expected jobless claims this week, and the continuing claims number was lower, which is a positive sign. However, concerns over the coronavirus and its impact is really weighing on the market. And the market headed down lower earlier today, really based on two things. First, Florida reported a record in the coronavirus-related hospitalizations and deaths. And then the Supreme Court came out with a ruling that the Manhattan District Attorney can look at President Trump's tax records. The marketplace did not like either of that news. Walgreens, the biggest loser today, down over 8%. Boeing was also down about 4% as both airlines and cruise lines were hit hard today. Yesterday, ES option data, about 498,000 options traded, 59% on the put side. The volume leaders were the end of week 2, July 3,050 puts, 4,600 of those traded. The end of week 3, July 3,000 puts, 4,400 of those traded. The end of week 2, July 3,100 puts, 4,300 of those traded. And the end of week 2, July 3,055 puts, traded 4,000 of those. With the added volatility in the marketplace, ES options pricing in a move tomorrow in the S&Ps of about 35 points and $95 all the way out to next Friday. Bitcoin down about $300 today as volume still is on the light side. We're seeing spot trading in Bitcoin still very, very low as volumes have dropped by roughly 50% and almost 40% on the cryptocurrency exchanges just since last month.